Good afternoon. Welcome to ISDN Industrial Innovation Challenge Competition Webinar Presentation. Please note that this presentation will be recorded and you will be muted throughout the presentation. You may download the recording from our website for your own reference. If you have any questions, you may pose your questions in the Q&A and we will answer them towards the end of our presentation. This webinar is jointly hosted by three different companies: AVEVA, ISDN Software Business, and Stratus Technologies. Hopefully, you will find this session useful to you, and also you may visit the respective company website to find out more information. ISDN Industrial Innovation Challenge 2021 is a competition jointly organized by the same three companies: AVEVA, ISDN Software, and Stratus. The purpose of this competition is to encourage the working professionals in the industry to apply their process design skill and share their knowledge in applying digital technologies in solving real-world process and automation problems. This competition presents a unique opportunity for participants, not only a chance to win the attractive prizes, but also mentored and supported through the entire competition preparation process by an expert leader from these three companies. By registered and submit your projects for the competition, you are already a winner, as you will receive a welcome gift from us and may be given an opportunity to present your projects if it is selected among the top 5 entries. So, please register for the competition and let the industry know the good work you have done. In order to prepare you for the Industrial Innovation Challenge, we will organize 9 webinar series from now till 27 September, where we will officially announce the start of the competition. This webinar series is open for registration now and consists of 3 web presentations, 3 web demo sessions, which you will experience the features and functionality of AVEVA software and solution, and 3 hands-on workshops where you will have a chance to work on this software and solutions using AVEVA Integrated Cloud Studio. All these webinars are planned in such a way that it will make sure you fully understand the platform technology used in AVEVA software, and then the value propositions of AVEVA offering for edge to enterprise. Last but not least, the solutions to help operation management. The dates for all these webinar series is shown in this timeline, and please make sure you are registered for this activity. Today, in our first web presentation, we will cover using System Platform for process information management and unify operations. We will look at how System Platform can be used to provide contextual information around the assets and how this information can be modeled and presented using the operation management interface of System Platform. We will also look at the benefit and values of using System Platform for unified operations and help to transform the way we manage the process operations. System Platform provides a collaborative, standards-based technology foundation that unifies people, process, and assets across all facilities. With System Platform, you can securely visualize plant-wide operations using an asset model to make system design and maintenance more efficient. System Platform can be used to build responsive, scalable supervisory, MES, and IIoT applications that contextualize operations processes to enable real-time decision support across organizations for continuous business performance and operational improvement. System Platform is a technology enabler to drive digital transformation in the organization. It offers 3 layers of essential functionalities. Firstly, it helps to digitize the process and provide edge connectivity using Operations Integration Server. Operation Integration Server connects to a wide variety of engineering data, real-time data, as well as enterprise data. It provides open connectivity platform using OPC DA, UA, MQTT, web services, industry PLC protocol. Operation Integration Server supports browsing, subscripting, and retrieving of asset attributes and runtime data in any data types. All device connectivities are performed using enhanced TLS 1.2 security with automatic certificate generation and distribution to eliminate any security threats. Second, System Platform is hardware and software agnostic. It defines all operation aspects of the asset as object templates. Graphical representation of this asset in the form of industry graphics and apps can be displayed in InTouch or Operation Management Interface or OMI visualizations. The industry graphics and apps provide greater situation awareness and ease of use, eliminating the need for complex scripting. The templates approach provides structure of how a process functions. OEE, predictive maintenance, MES, and many other functional templates are also available in System Platform to help manage changes and improve process and operation performance in the organizations. Thirdly, the System Platform supports edge-to-enterprise integration. AVEVA Insight can securely leverage the process data or operation data from System Platform to empower any user in the organization with actionable information and insights to their process or asset performance. AVEVA Insight uses supervised or unsupervised algorithms to model and detect any data anomaly, asset utilizations, and efficiency dashboard can be automatically captured and presented from the data by integrating with System Platform at the edge. All this can be done even without any complex scripting of the end user. Using the System Platform with the 3 layers of functionality mentioned earlier offer great engineering and user experience. Using the Operation Integration Server as communication gateway, we first connect with the physical asset for real-time data acquisition. We then create the process and asset model in System Platform by transitions towards digital asset representation, utilizing the various asset templates available in the System Platform. This template, such as history, batch, MES, recipe management, defines all operational aspects of the asset and help to turn the real-time data into process or operations information. In the process of this data contextualization, we create reusable templates to reduce future efforts and provide structures of how a process functions. We then represent the real-time data, process data, and operation data in operation management interface by organizing different graphical content such as document content, external content, KPI context, overview content, and detailed contents. All these contents are created using system platform, industry graphics, apps, or even external Java or .NET components. Operation management interface using these different contents provide greater situational awareness with integrated apps, analytics, and KPI contents. It provides rich, immersive, multi-screen visualization framework and people-centric operation management. Operation management interface is task and role-based design and provide contextual navigation where contents follow the attention of the user and help to drive operator situation awareness. All real-time data, operations, and process data can be integrated with AVEVA Insight Cloud for added managed services to offer more value in the overall operation efficiency. These services will leverage on the edge data to provide anomaly detection, insight information to empower decision-making, as well as condition monitoring and predictive monitoring of the asset operations. So, using system platform for process information system, reduce repetitive engineering efforts, support complex industrial architecture, and preserve design knowledge in the applications. System platform operation management interface is a scalable visualization platform that is able to integrate many different types of information into an unified environment. Operator management interface is asset-driven and is able to pull information from maps, documents, 3D models, and all others into a single visualization for the user to take actionable insight with regards to the asset quickly. We will now simulate how to use Operation Management Interface, OMI, to build a content contextualization visualization. First, we need to present the process model using navigation app to allow selection of asset. Then, we may use the industry graphics to monitor and control the process operations by creating a process overview content. Also, the camera app can be used to show the live video streaming on real-time view of the asset. The document view app allows display of asset information content, such as showing the past maintenance history. The train app and the map app provide further information on location and key parameters. Once This app has been created on the layout for the visualization screen. The asset hierarchy will be automatically populated on the navigation app. This sample screen showing how the contextualization information can be displayed and organized for operation efficiency. Selection of any asset on the navigation screen will automatically drive the external information built around the selected asset on respective content, the camera, maintenance history, location, and the process trend. Smart navigation allows the information to be updated on this content when the user navigates to other assets. More information can be displayed if the application is designed with multi-monitor. So far, we have already shown you some of the intelligent features and functionality of System Platform. Also, how this functionality enables the operation management. There is one other functionality which we want to cover where it helps to bring much value to process information management. We have seen System Platform is not the same as traditional HMI, where the application is engineered based on process data point or tag. Rather, System Platform model all operational aspects of the asset as object templates and provide context-driven representation of this asset in the form of industry graphics and apps in its operational management interface, or OMI. Time series process and alarm data in System Platform Historian help to provide much process information and is very critical in analyzing the process performance.
The SCADA playback functions like a console recorder that allows the operator to take their process screen and go back in the past to the point where he suspected there was a problem. The process engineer is presented with a timeline overlaid with the alarm events colored by different alarm severity. He can focus on the process before or after the alarm. Playback speed can be controlled as well. During playback, the corresponding animations on alarm or trend pan will be animated correctly with the corresponding alarms and value in time. During the playback, the process engineer can even navigate to another asset for historical state and alarm information. The historical SCADA playback features truly is a time machine to allow process engineer to witness what happened in the past.
With the understanding on System Platform, we will now want to introduce the AVEVA Unify Operation Center solution. It is a solution leveraging on System Platform and suites of other AVEVA software to build a real-time operation management control room applications. Unify Operation Center empower the operations with a centralized view to help make informed decisions. Unify Operation Center provides an enhanced layer of intelligence, ensuring that the data work in service to meet the organizational goals. Unify Operation Center brings end-to-end operational visibility across facilities and help to improve safety, operational efficiency, and ultimately the profit margin of business. Functional capability of Unify Operation converge both process and non-process information using out-of-the-box industry solution template of System Platform, and also configurable report dashboard and operational KPI. Plug-and-play contextualized application in System Platform enhance the capability of unified operation solution by bringing data from resources and applications such as GIS, workflow, event management, and business intelligence. The real value of these solutions lies in the improved integrations and collaboration across different applications and sharing of information for daily operations. So, in summary, System Platform helps to transform the way we work and operate more effectively. It does so by providing a much intelligent, out-of-the-box features and functionality. It doesn't just show data, but provide information on what to do with it too. A context-driven approach helps to converge data from multiple operation and business data silos. It is flexible in architecture and technology and vendor agnostics, which help to integrate with all major tools, technology providers, and applications. Next, we want to introduce how Stratus can help to simplify, protect, and automate the deployment of System Platform for process information management applications. For more than 10 years, Stratus and AVEVA has offered the perfect combinations of hardware and software platforms for customers going through digital transformation journeys. Stratus platform has supported approximately 500 deployments of AVEVA software in the past 5 years. Today, as a technology partner, Stratus enables AVEVA software platform more reliable throughout its lifetime, whether they are deployed at the edge, in the enterprise, or anywhere in between. With that, I would like to introduce the next speaker, Xavier Goh, for Stratus presentation.
Thanks, GK. Hi, everyone. A very good afternoon to every one of you. Once again, on behalf of AVEVA, ISDN, and Stratus, a very warm welcome to ISDN Industrial Innovation Challenge 2021 first web presentation. I'm Xavier, Stratus Singapore Country Manager, right? And today I'm here to share about the right infrastructure to power your transformation. So, what is the right infra, you may ask, right? So, I'm very sure that everyone here has been seeing more and more requests from the end users or customers asking for application redundancies. Right? Have you ever thought about why is this so? Right? Please allow me to share with you my thoughts on this. 2 points. First of all, reliability of the traditional L1, L2, which refers to the instrumentation, the PLCs, the VCS, are already taken for granted. Our end users, customers are already very, very familiar with the type or level of availability that comes along with instrumentation, that comes along with the PLCs, right? And in reality, the offerings are also pretty similar across the board. Everybody will offer you redundant controllers or redundant I/O modules. Secondly, right? The trigger of this is the IIoT or Industrial 4.0 evolution, or some may call it journey, right? Many of our end users, customers, they are just embarking on this journey, or they are just want to start. They're thinking of starting. So very naturally, the attention turns to the level 3, the level 4, where our SCADA or the MES enterprise system sits on, right? And these same customers will naturally want to have the same level of protection as before, just like on their PLCs and DCS. Why? Because it's basically for the same reasons, right, as why they want protection on their PLCs and DCS. That's because our end users, customer sites are often located in a remote location with very limited access to skilled personnel and even bandwidth. In reality, right, this is the sort of IT infrastructure we have been offering to our customers, currently, and for many years before this, right? Typically, it's traditional standalone servers, and for those applications that are slightly more critical, such as a SCADA server, right? There is application hot standby feature built in already, right? We also provide our customers with desktop PCs as tech clients, right? And sure, this has worked before, pre the Industrial 4.0 era, right? Because many of these applications are just serving as monitoring or data collection stations, right? The process itself, whether it's a continuous process or a discrete process, it doesn't rely on the server, and the process will just continue to run rain or shine, right? Because the reliability of the PLC controllers, the I/O modules are already there to cater for this, right? However, such an IT infrastructure nowadays, it does have its cons, right? The redundancy, when it's available, is quite complex. It can be slow and takes a long time to fail over to the backup server, right? And recovery to a fully duplex system, it can involve quite a bit of engineering effort, right? It's also based on the break-fix approach, right, which is very reactive, and it generally results in unplanned downtime on the IT infrastructure. And we also have individually managed systems, where every application sits on a single server, right? Engineers have to manage and access multiple servers, right? This again, it reduces productivity, right? And in this sort of architecture, we have a mixed OS environment, right, with multiple security loopholes. Again, this is a headache because now you have multiple servers. It's a challenge to patch each and every one of them. It takes a lot of time, right? This was fine before, right, when in general our ICSS, PLC, SCADAs were pretty much isolated from the outside world, right? But with Industrial 4.0, it's not possible to do that anymore. We also have the tech clients, the desktop PCs, serving as a operator workstation, right? This contributes to lost productivity. Have you ever had the case where a customer's operator workstation fails, and it takes you some time to source for a similar model, right, that supports the OS before? It may even be not possible because the OS has already been obsoleted by Microsoft. It does take a long time to replace and get the operator workstation up and running. Especially in this digital age, right, where we have newer applications like analytics, like KPI dashboarding, these applications has already become an integral part of the process itself. Any downtime in your IT infrastructure will actually now directly affect your process. Right? It will affect the process efficiency. It will affect the process productivity. Right? Therefore, we need to start thinking of a different kind of IT infrastructure for our customers and end users. Right? And this is where Stratus really comes into play. Right? We offer you a very simple infrastructure, yet comes along with very high levels of protection, right? And lastly is autonomous, right? And how it does so, I will explain later on in my slides, right? And also in subsequent series. Here's how Stratus has been helping our partners, integrators, end users to modernize their IT infrastructure. Right. In short, basically, we deliver a fault-tolerant server platform, which, when we couple together with virtualization technology, which nowadays is very mature, I would say, right, we can deliver a system that's more than 99.999% availability. Right? What does this mean? Right? Basically, or to put it very simply, it means reliability or availability that is on par or better than a lot of DCS PLC hardware. Not only this, with system platform in place, right, we also offer continuous health monitoring, such as 24/7 active monitoring by Stratus, if you connect back to the Stratus network, right? Or we can configure automated email alerts, right? And lastly, we can configure the server to post alarms to the HMI or to the PLC, via OPC, right? So this allows very quick action and response by either the operators or the system administrators. Right. Last but not least, it's also very easy to maintain. Recovery. When you have a failure, the system goes from a duplex fault-tolerant system to a simplex system. The recovery method is always via plug and play. So there's no need for vendors or for you to send highly skilled IT engineers or system engineers to go down to site, spend a few days trying to fix the issue. Yep, so there you have it. The AVEVA, ISDN, and Stratus combination, right, offers you a one-stop solution from all the way from the edge to enterprise. Right, so it doesn't matter what's the customer type or the size of the plant, right? We always have the solution for you, right? For example, if you're running a machine equipment, right, then most probably the AVEVA Edge plus Stratus ZTC combination is the right one. On the other extreme, if you are working on designing an enterprise or multi-site system for your customer, right, then probably the AVEVA System Platform plus the Stratus fault-tolerant server solution is the right one for you. Right. How these combinations come to be and how it is there to help you will be covered in later webinar sessions and demo sessions, right, in our ISDN Industrial Innovation Challenge 2021. So I've come to the end of my presentation. Hope what I shared is useful and will be of use to you. As I've just mentioned, do stay tuned to the rest of the demo and web sessions. We will continue to dive deeper into the mentioned topics today. Once again, thank you. Over to you, GK.
Thank you, Xavier. Before we end this session, I would like to draw your attention to the webinar series timeline again. As mentioned, next Friday, we are going to have the web demo on System Platform. On 6th of August, we are going to run the hands-on workshop to let you experience and learn to use the OMI to create supervisory application. This workshop will be conducted using AVEVA Integrated Studio in Cloud. The seat is going to be limited, and we can only accommodate 10 participants. So please sign up earlier to avoid disappointment.